The rotational lunge, sometimes called the anti-rotational lunge, because of the amount of core stability required to perform the exercise. Rotational lunge because the sandbag is going back and forth. Anti-rotation because the core is resisting any other movement that is not otherwise intentionally created by you during the exercise. Let's just show you the body weight movement first. The sandbag will start off in the front, and we will be using handle set number 2. I will pull the sandbag around my body of the lead leg and push it with the arm that is on the opposite side. So I will step back, push, and pull. As I am moving the sandbag around my body, I'm contracting my obliques from here to assist in the rotation as I pull around to the front at first, then we will make it more fluid. As we're coming around, posture's tall, push, step back, pause. When it's time to come around, we initiate the pull from the side here with our obliques, come to the top and pause. That's what the torso is doing. Upright and stable, no unwanted rotation, no leaning side to side. From the back, the rear leg that steps back, it's very important that I push this leg into the ground. My toes are bridging and I come to a stop with this leg so that my hamstrings and my glutes are engaged to help stabilize this part of my body. On the way up, I'm pushing off of my trail leg and coming back to the start. The cue is keep your back foot active. Push into the ground with the bridging of your toes so you feel your hamstrings and your glutes engage. Let's pick up the sandbag and we'll walk through it. Safely pick up the sandbag here. The first progression is pausing in the front. If this is new to you, the momentum might overtake you, so pause first, stabilize, have a nice strong start, shoulder blades are back, and then start on to the other side. Let's see how it looks here, and we'll go from the side to bring attention to what we just spoke about, which was the active foot in the trail leg. Shoulder blades are pulled back here, strong grip, lats are engaged. Pulling the sandbag over to my left side. Weight distribution is even on the front foot, as you can see. Reset, restabilize, opposite side. Strong posture, it's tall here. That is the first progression where we pause in the front. We'll go through it again without any instruction. Now we will go for the more fluid movement. Once you're able to stabilize yourself, you feel you have total control of the core, torso is nice and tall, try the fluid motion without stopping in the front like so. The key to successfully executing the rotational lunge is moving with intention and with as much stability as possible. Lead with the core. Keep it as stiff as possible as you're coming around from the front. Feel your obliques engage as you come into the starting point. Keep the back foot active, pushing into the ground. Keep the torso nice and tall throughout. Feeling the upper back muscles engage as well as the lats. Thanks very much for watching. We hope you enjoy this rotational lunge because it's a really great exercise when you take the time to execute it purposefully.